Now, Secretary Pompeo says the door is still open for talks with the North despite its latest missile launch. In an interview Thursday with Bloomberg, Pompeo said each government prepares for negotiations by creating leverage, describing the missile launch as a negotiating tactic. He also expressed hopes that working-level talks could resume in the next month or so. Pompeo added that he is not bothered by the delay in talks, saying both sides need to have enough conversations to produce what he called productive dialogue when they're at the table. The leaders of North Korea and the U.S. had promised to resume talks within weeks when they met last month at the DMZ.